In this class we will explore the interface of Inventor 2018, which is fundamental to navigation in the software. Come on, let's go. When accessing the Inventor we have the home screen of the software, called Home, which allows you to create the following types of projects. Parts, which are 3D models obtained from sketches. Assemblies, which are sets of parts. Details, drawings, which are the sheets project made available to the factory. And presentations, which are exploded animations and views of assemblies, which show the relationships between components. By clicking on the icon shown we can modify the unit of measurement in the norm to create the new file. By clicking on the arrow, we change the display form to Advanced, which displays several options to choose the desired template. To return to the basic view, simply click this arrow. You can access recently used files with the Recent Documents option by applying filters and sorting the list. We also have the Projects area, listing the folders and defaults of the projects created. For more details when creating a new project, we can access the New command, where we have different options of templates to create a new project. On the left we can access the systems of units of measurement, such as English and metric. And on the right we choose the default file for the type of file we want to create. The file part has an IPT extension, for the file assembly the extension is YAM, for the drawing is DWG and for presentation is IPN. At the bottom of the window we can select the project file as well. We select the standard option, of the part and click on Create. Note that Inventor loads the working tools compatible with the selected template, in this case, for the creation of the part. Now let's look at the interface of Inventor 2018, which has undergone few variations from previous versions. We start with the tabs, located at the top of the screen. See that we can navigate between them by clicking with the mouse, and see that in each tab we have several commands, grouped into panels, according to their function. Note, for example, the Sketch tab, where we have several panels with commands available with similar functions, or belonging to the same mode of work. Below we have the graphic area where we create our models of parts, assemblies and details. At the bottom we have the Open Project tab, in addition to the My Home option. By clicking on it, we return to the Start screen of the program, where we have options related to Inventor as a whole. As we have already seen, in Get Started we can access New to create new files. In Open we can open existing files, and with Projects we can configure the project defaults. We return to our part file and we will activate the browser, where all the stages of building a part are stored. For this, in the View tab, Windows panel, we click on User Interface and activate the Model option. Now we have a new field on the left side, where all created entities will be added, according to the modeling operations sequence. This will allow editing of sketches and solid profiles at any time. We conclude here this lesson, where we know the interface of the program, which will make it easier to locate the resources for creating the templates.